What's up YouTube, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Air Max 1 Amsterdam. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. They're an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and right now they're having a massive sale for their 3rd birthday, and if you guys use the link down below in the description box, you'll be able to get 30% off your entire order plus free shipping anywhere in the world. In addition, if you guys use the code SEAN, so that's SEAN at checkout, you'll be able to stack the discount and get an additional 10% off as well. The stuff they sell is very versatile and very wearable, so it makes sense that a lot of their product are moving pretty fast. So don't hesitate too long, be sure to use that link down below to access your exclusive savings. Jumping back to the shoes, these Amsterdam Air Max 1s released alongside an Air Max 1 London as part of a Nike City pack. They dropped on March 19th for a retail price of $160 US or $215 here in Canada, and for the most part both of these pairs were a European retailer exclusive, with this Amsterdam pair apparently being the more limited of the two. So while I managed to get the London pair for retail, I took an L on this one, so I had to pay resale and I picked these up through StockX. The official color code for this shoe is Red Bark, Khaki, Terra Blush, and Dusty Peach. And as the nickname of the shoe suggests, this pair is inspired by the great city of Amsterdam. Unlike the London pair, which was very cool, this one in comparison is much warmer with these red, brown, and tan colored accents. Diving straight into the shoe, so the toe box of the sneaker is constructed using a very premium tan colored suede. Surrounding the outer edges of the toe box, we have a very premium, high quality leather, which almost has a suede-like feel to it. Embroidered on the lateral side of the sneaker, we have a red Nike swoosh on one end, and these 3 X's on the lateral side of the left shoe, which is something you see on the Amsterdam coat of arms. Moving downwards on the quarter panel of both sides of the sneaker, we have a very high quality, brownish red colored leather. And then stitched on top of this, we have a black Nike swoosh. On both the upper eye stay and the mudguard, you'll see that this is done in this light brown colored suede. And then continuing on towards the back end of the shoe, so surrounding the top ankle collar area, here we have this light tan colored suede once again, which is the same material found on the toe box. And then overlaid on top of this, we have this pale orange or pale red colored suede with this corduroy hit surrounding the bottom of the back heel. Embroidered on the very center of the back heel, we have this Nike branding along with this curved shape, which is supposed to represent the canals of Amsterdam. These come standard with a flat style lace, and then underneath this we have a nylon tongue, which is accented with Nike branding on the top, and then once again we have those 3 X's which is found on the tag of the right shoe. The interior of these Amsterdam Air Max 1s is also lined in a very soft suede, which really adds a premium feel to the sneaker. This suede is also lined on top of the insole as well, and we have Nike Air branding stamped on the heel in black. The upper of these Amsterdam Air Max 1s sits atop this khaki colored midsole, and then underneath the heel we have a cutaway which exposes a red Nike Air Max unit found encapsulated within the midsole. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Max 1 outsole. This is entirely done in this cream or off-white colored rubber, and we have Nike Air branding underneath the heel. In terms of sizing, these fit the same to me as most of my Air Max 1s, so I opted for a half size up. My feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and because of my wider feet, I usually have discomfort around this area right here, so by going up the half size to a 10.5, these fit me great. If you have normal or narrow width feet, then you can totally get away with true to size, but for wide footers out there, I would probably recommend half size up. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so nothing too crazy about this feels pretty much like all my Air Max 1s, so for a shoe designed from 1987, it's going to be okay from just a casual use standpoint, but don't expect too much from a softness and step-in comfort perspective. Last but not least, talking about the quality of the sneaker, this is where this shoe really shines. Similar to the London pair, the quality on these Amsterdams is just through the roof. Everything from the quality of the materials, the variety of the material choices, and the craftsmanship on the sneaker, all of that was on point. Holding these in hand, you can really tell that this is a premium product, and it's a significant upgrade compared to general release Air Max 1s that sit on shelves. So with all that being said, let's lace up these Amsterdam Air Max 1s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Between this one and the London pair, to be honest, while the resale prices on the Amsterdam are higher, I gotta say I do prefer the look of the London pair a bit more. That's not to take anything away from this shoe though. This is an amazing, very well built sneaker. It's just personal preference that I prefer the cooler tones. Still, if you guys are thinking about picking this up on resale, though those prices are pretty high right now, I gotta say I feel like it's totally well worth it having these in hand. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this Amsterdam Nike Air Max 1. Between this one and the London pair, which of the two do you guys prefer? And how much does this being more limited and the resale prices being higher impact that decision? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.